Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'll share with you a traditional Chinese dessert, Tangyuan, glutinous rice ball or sweet dumpling. Since the Tangyuan is a hemophone fruit unit, it's the symbol of family cohesion. There will be two parts for this rice ball, the soft filling and glutinous rice dough. It's similar to making a dumpling and will be served in hot broth or syrup. Let's see how to make this yummy rice ball. Here are some basic proportions of rice ball. The first step is making the filling, wrapping paste. Add 150 grams of wrapping to a bowl. Give it a wash and pour into an instant pot with 2 cups of water. High pressure for 40 minutes. By the way, soak the bean for a few hours will reduce the cooking time. I just forgot to do so. When finished, use a skimmer to transfer the wrapping to a mixing bowl. Save the leftover liquid with a few beans. I'd like to use it as a broth for the rice ball later. Add butter, coconut oil, milk powder, and cane sugar to the mixing bowl. I've listed the proportions on the screen. Turn on the mixer at low speed, then gradually increase to speed 10 and mix for 2 minutes or until they are nice and creamy. The coconut oil will help the wrapping paste reach a thick consistency. However, it's still too thin for rolling a ball. Pop it to the microwave for 10 minutes and check the consistency halfway. Now the wrapping paste is thicker than before. Refrigerate it for 8 hours. The cool temperature will help it thicken up more. I do recommend you make this paste the night before, then you have no need to wait for it. See, it's easy to roll a small ball now. Make sure each of the bowl is about 8 grams. The second step is to make a dough. A traditional version of Tangyuan uses glutinous rice flour to make the dough, but I would prefer to use 2/3 of glutinous rice flour with 1/3 of tapioca starch. The tapioca starch will give it a touch of chewy texture. 4 tablespoons of matcha powder give it a fresh flavor and color. Add boiling water and give it a pre-mix. Turn on the mixer to speed 2 for 8 minutes. Do it a favor and halfway. Roll it into a strip and cut into small pieces. Each of them is about 16 grams. Flatten them down. And cover them with wet paper towel to keep them from drying out. Grab one, stretch, and fill it with wrapping bowl. Roll it. It's cute and adorable, isn't it? Cover it and keep the rice bowl moist. Bring the water to a boil and cook the rice bowl for 5 minutes or so, or until they have floated up for a little while. Drain it and pour it into a bowl with the broth. When it comes to the broth, remember the leftover liquid and wrapping. Blend it with any sweetener and hot water. That's it. Here's the syrup version. Add a mixed ginger with cane sugar and 1 tablespoon of water to a saucepan. Turn on the heat to medium heat and fry for 2 minutes. The sugar is caramelized and smells so good. Add 2 cups and a half of water and bring it to a boil. Then pour it into the rice bowl. That's it. Obviously, we too cannot consume all this rice bowl in a day. I'll store them into the freezer and save it for months. Transfer this rice bowl to a Ziploc bag and freeze it in a single layer in case they are clumped together. When you want it, just grab some and cook for 10 minutes and add a cup of tap water in the halfway.